Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Listening for Beginners. My name is Ken, and here we practice easy and slow English listening. Today we are going to talk about a girl's daily routine. You will hear a simple story about a girl named Jenny. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Every morning, my day begins at 7 o'clock. My alarm clock rings softly beside my bed. Slowly, I open my eyes and wake up. I take a deep breath and smile. Warm sunlight comes through the window. The room feels bright and peaceful. I get out of bed and stretch my arms and legs. Stretching helps my body wake up. Next, I walk to the bathroom. The cool morning air feels fresh. I wash my face with cold water. The water helps me feel awake and refreshed. I look at myself in the mirror. My face looks clean and fresh. Then, I brush my teeth with my toothbrush and toothpaste. I brush slowly and carefully. After that, I go back to my bedroom. I fix my pillow and pull the blanket neatly. Now my bed looks tidy and organized. A clean room makes me feel good. Next, I go to the kitchen and pour a cup of coffee. The warm smell fills the room. I hold the cup and enjoy the smell of the coffee. It feels warm and comforting. Then I prepare my breakfast. I make toast with butter and jam. Sometimes I also cook eggs. A good breakfast is important for the day. I sit at the table and eat my breakfast slowly. I enjoy the quiet morning. After breakfast, I check my phone for a minute. I look at messages and the weather. Then, I get dressed for the day. I wear comfortable clothes. Finally, I look in the mirror one last time. Now I feel ready and confident to start my day. I take my bag and walk to the door. Before leaving, I take one more look around my room. Everything looks clean and organized. It feels good to start the day this way. I open the door and step outside. The morning air feels fresh and cool. The sky is bright and blue. As I walk down the street, I see people starting their day. Some people are walking to work. Some people are riding bicycles. I enjoy the quiet morning. The city slowly becomes more active. After a short walk, I arrive at my workplace. I greet my coworkers with a friendly smile. First, I sit down at my desk. I organize my notebook and my computer. Then I start my work. I read some emails and plan my tasks for the day. Working in the morning feels very productive. My mind feels clear and focused. After some time, I take a short break. I stand up and stretch my body again. Then I walk to the window and look outside. The sun is higher in the sky now. Soon it is time for lunch. I eat a simple meal and drink some water. Lunch gives me more energy for the afternoon. After lunch, I continue my work. The afternoon passes quickly. I finish my tasks one by one. Finally, my workday is finished. I pack my bag and get ready to go home. On my way home, I enjoy the evening air. The day feels calm and peaceful. When I arrive home, I relax for a while. I sit down and think about my day. It was a simple but good day. After resting for a few minutes, I stand up and walk to the kitchen. I feel a little hungry after the long day. I prepare a simple dinner for myself. Sometimes I cook rice and vegetables. Sometimes I make a light sandwich. While cooking, I listen to some soft music. The music makes the evening feel calm and relaxing. Soon my dinner is ready. I sit at the table and start eating slowly. I enjoy the quiet evening in my home. Eating slowly helps me relax after work. After dinner, I clean the table and wash the dishes. I like to keep my kitchen clean and tidy. Then I make a cup of warm tea. The warm tea feels very comforting. I sit near the window and drink my tea. Outside, the sky slowly becomes darker. The lights of the city begin to shine. Cars move quietly on the streets. I watch the peaceful evening for a moment. It is a nice way to end the day. After that, I check my phone again. I read a few messages from my friends. Sometimes I reply to them. Sometimes I just smile at their messages. Later, I spend a little time reading a book. Reading helps me relax and learn new things. The story in the book is interesting and calm. It makes my mind feel peaceful. After reading for a while, I start to feel sleepy. It has been a long and busy day. So I turn off the lights in the living room. Then I walk slowly back to my bedroom. I change into comfortable sleep clothes. The room feels quiet and calm. Before sleeping, I look out the window one last time. The night sky is dark and beautiful. I feel thankful for the day I had. Even a simple day can be a good day. Finally, I lie down on my bed. I close my eyes and take a deep breath. My body begins to relax. Soon, I fall into a peaceful sleep. And tomorrow morning, a new day will begin again.